All right, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use the AI in the system to help you moderate blog comments. So what we're going to do is navigate over here to features within our AI section, and we're going to come here to blog comment moderation, and we're going to turn that on. Then we're going to go ahead and hit save, and then I'm going to navigate to the live version of my website. So let me navigate over there, and I have quickly added a blog post to my website. So I'm going to come here to my blog, I'm going to hit read more. I'm going to scroll down and I'm like, wow, what an amazing article. I'm going to put my name in here and my email. And then I'm going to go ahead and say, wow, what an amazing article. Really helpful. And I'm going to submit that comment. And you'll see that that comment has automatically been approved. So AI saw that, they were like, well, great comment, let's approve that. But if I come along and I'm now Bob, and Bob thinks that this is a really terrible article, or actually, let's say Bob is trying to sell his stuff. Don't buy from this business. I sell way better stuff over on my site. Send me a message and I'll hook you up. All right, then we're going to submit that comment, and you'll see that that message has automatically been declined. AI flagged that as not a good comment, and it's a bit spammy. So the AI in the system is automatically moderating these comments for you. And if I navigate back to the admin section and I come here to my blog section and I come here to comments, I can go ahead and manage these, but you'll see that my AI has automatically approved this. So it says AI assigned the status positive or neutral blog comments are considered approved, spam and harmful content are considered declined, and negative comments are considered pending. So you can go ahead and choose whether or not you want to approve negative comments. And the same goes for the declined message as well. So that is how the AI in the system is going to help you moderate your blog comments without any intervention from you, unless it is a pending comment. So now that we've set that up, I'm going to show you how the AI in the system can also help you prioritize help desk tickets within the system. I'll see you there.